Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter multiplication skill builders. And the lessons we're going to cover today are multiply by 4, multiply by 5, multiply by 6 and multiply by 7. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Also, we've already started this chapter multiplication. It is very important chapter when you're moving to higher grades. So if you still do not perfect with the multiplications, times multiplications, times table, right? So you need to be perfect with the tables, right? So from today onwards, start working on the table, do one table daily, right? So that you can perfect with the multiplication. The first one is 7 times 4. You need to count the table of 7 until 4 or 4 table of 4 until 7. They both are exactly same, right? So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 24, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 6 is 24, and 4 times 7 is, yes, it is 28, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Because if you don't know the tables, how can you do the multiplication, right? It's just the one digit multiplication. How do you do the two digits and three digits multiplication, right? So start working on the tables from today onwards, right? Do one table daily. The first one is multiply 10 times 4, which is the correct option. 10 times 4 equals, yes, the correct option is 40. 10 times 4 is 40. Very good. Okay, the next one is 4 times 9. 4 times 9 equal, the correct option is count a table of 4 until 9. So the correct option is, yes, it is 36. 4 times 9 equals, you can take your time, you can count a table. The correct option is 36. 4 times 9 equal 36. Okay, the next one is multiply. 4 times 8, which is the correct option. 4 times 8 equal, you can count table of 4 until 8 or 8 until 4, right? So 4 times 8 is 32. So the correct option is, yes, it is 32. We're working on grade 3 math. The chapter we're working on is multiplication skill builders. And the lesson we are working on is multiply by 4. Olive, that is grade 3 math. The chapter is multiplication skill builders. And the lesson is multiply by 4. Yes, 4 times 8 equals 32. The correct option is 32 it is. The next one is 4 times 4, which is the correct option. Yes, it is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. The correct option is 16. The next one is multiply 1 time 4. So, which is the correct option? 1 time 4 equals, correct option is 4. 1 time any number equals the same number, right? So the correct option is 1 times 4 equal 4. Okay, the next one is multiply 2 times 4 equals, which is the correct option? 2 times 4 is, very good. The correct option is 8. 2 times 4 or 4 times 2, right? They both are exactly same. So 2 times 4 equals 8. The correct option is 8. The correct option is 8. Okay, the next one is 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. The correct option is 20. The next one is 5 times 4. Either you do 4 times 5 or you do 5 times 4. They both are exactly equal, right? So 4 times 5. 5 times 4 is, the correct option is 20, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Later today, let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply by 5. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the first example is 4 times 5 equal. Yes, the correct option is 20, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is 5 times 4. So, which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? Yes, the correct option is 24 times 4, 5 times 4. They both are exactly equal, right? The correct option is 20. The next one is 5 times 5, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 5 times 5 equals 25. The correct option is 25. Okay, the next one is 9 times 5 or 5 times 9. They both are exactly equal. So, which is the correct option? Yes, 9 times 5 equals 45. The correct option is 45. You guys are here to learn, right? So, focus on the learning. The correct option is 45. 8 times 5, which is the correct option? Yes, it is 45 times 8 is 40. The correct option is 40. Very good. 6 times 5, which is the correct option? Yes, it is. 36 times 5 equals 30. The correct option is 30. Very good. 0. Okay, multiply 5 times 6, which is the correct option. Please write the answers once. I can see all your messages, so please write the answers once. Do not create mess. 6 times 5 is, yes, it is 30. The correct option is 30. The correct option is 30. Okay, the next one is multiply 2 times 5, which is the correct option. 2 times 5 equals, very good, it is 10. The correct option is 10. The next one is multiply 5 times 9, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 9 times 5 equals 45. The correct option is 45. Okay, the next one is 3 times 5, which is the correct option. The correct option is 15. The correct option is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Can you guys please stop talking? Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply by 6. The next lesson is multiply. Just multiply. Just focus on the lesson we are working on, right? The next one is multiply by 6. Let's just start with the first example, that is 7 times 6. So 7 times 6 equals, 42 it is. 7 times 6 is 42. The correct option is 42. Let's just start with the test questions. Stop talking, I said. Multiply 10 times 6, which is the correct. Yes, the correct option is 60. 10 times 6 is 60. The next one is 6 times 5. 6 times 5 equal. The correct option is 6 times 5 equal. It is 30. The correct option is 30. Very good. 6 times 5 equals 30. The correct option is 6 times 4 is 24. The correct option is 24 it is. Okay, the next one is 7 times 6. 7 times 6 equals. The correct option is 7 times 6 equal. The correct option is 42. 7 times 6 equal 42. The correct option is 42. Very good. Okay, the next one is 6 times 6, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 7 times 6 equals. The correct option is 36. 6 times 6 equals 36. Okay, the next one is 6 times 1. 6 times 1 equal. Yes, it is 6. 6 times 1 equals 6. The correct option is 6. 6 times 8 equals. Yes, it is 48. The correct option is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. Very good. Okay, 2 times 6, which is the correct option? Yes, it is 12. The correct option is 12. 7. 2 times 6 equals 12. Which is the correct option? Okay, the next one is 6 times 1, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next one. The next one is multiply by 7. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiply by 7. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, the first one is 7 times 24. So, which is the correct option? Yes, it is 28. Let's just start with the test questions, right? Yes, it is. Next one is 3 times 7. So, 3 times 7 is. 3 times 7 is, very good, the correct option is 21. 7 times 3 or 3 times 7, they both are exactly same. So the correct option is 21. 7 times 4 equals, yes, the correct option is 7 times 4 equals 28. The correct option is 28. Very good. The next one is 10 times 7. So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 70. 10 times 7 equals 70. The correct option is 70. Okay, the next one is 8 times 7. So 8 times 7 equal. Yes, it is 56, right? 8 times 7 equals 56. The correct option is 56. 7 times 1, which is the correct option? Seven times one equal. The correct option is 7. Can you guys please stop? Otherwise, I'm going to block you all. 5 times 7 equal. Focus on the lesson we are working on, right? 5 times 7 is. It is 35. 5 times 7 equals 35. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 times 7 equal 4 times 7 equal. The correct option is 28. 4 times 7 equal 28. Very good. Yes, that is 21. The correct option is 21. 9 times 7 equal. Excuse me. 9 times 7 equal. Very good. The correct option is 63. 9 times 7 equals 63. Okay, the next one is 7 times 8. 7 times 8 equals. 7 times 8 is. Yes, it is 56. The correct option is 56. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 maths. The chapter we're working on is. Thank you. The chapter we're working on grade 3 math. The chapter we're working on is multiplication skill builders. And the lessons we have covered today are multiply by 4, multiply by 5, multiply by 6, and multiply by 7, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question related to the lesson we just did, you can ask questions. I'm here to answer all your questions if you have any. So please ask if you have any question. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.